Hello, my name is Ian Leapy. I'm the portfolio manager of the Gabelli Global Financial Services Fund. Today, I am going to provide an update on regional banks. First quarter earnings were healthy as net interest margins expanded, owing primarily to lower deposit costs, and loan losses remained minimal. For example, Southern First, a South Carolina-based bank with $4 billion in assets, generated a 109% increase in earnings, driven by a 47 basis point increase in net interest margin to 2.4% and no net charge-offs. Loans and deposits increased at annualized rates of 6% and 23% respectively compared to the fourth quarter. Similarly, TrustCo, a $6 billion asset bank with operations mainly in New York and Florida, reported a 17% increase in earnings, driven by a 20 basis point expansion in NIM to 2.64% and 2 basis points of credit recoveries. The company announced a share repurchase for about 5% of its common stock. Despite these strong results, the common stocks of both companies remain attractively valued at discounts to tangible book value of about 19% and 16% for Southern First and TrustCo, respectively. Thank you.
Ian Leapy is the portfolio manager of the Gabelli Global Financial Services Fund. This podcast is an excerpt from Gabelli TV that appeared on April 28, 2025. Investors should carefully consider the investment objectives, risks, charges, and expenses of the fund before investing. The prospectus, which contains more complete information about these and other matters, should be read carefully before investing. To obtain a prospectus, please call 800-GABELLI or visit www.gabelli.com. Returns represent past performance and do not guarantee future results. Due to market volatility, current performance may be lower or higher than the performance data quoted. Total return and average annual returns are historical and reflect changes in share price, reinvestment of dividends and capital gains, and are net of expenses. Investment return and principal value will fluctuate, so, upon redemption, shares may be worth more or less than their original cost. To obtain the most recent month-end performance information and a prospectus, please call 800-GABELLI or visit www.gabelli.com. As of March 31, 25, Southern First Bancshares and TrustCo Bank accounted for 1.4% and 3.2% of the fund's net assets, respectively. Funds concentrating in specific sectors may experience greater fluctuations in value than funds that are more diversified. Investing in foreign securities involves risks not ordinarily associated with investments in domestic issues, including currency fluctuations, economic and political risks. Not FDIC insured. Not bank guaranteed. May lose value. The Gabelli mutual funds are distributed by G. Distributors, LLC, a registered broker-dealer and member of FINRA. Stocks are subject to market, economic and business risks that cause their prices to fluctuate. When you sell shares, they may be worth less than what you paid for them. For more information, a prospectus or summary prospectus, visit our website at www.gabelli.com or call 800-GABELLI 800-422-3554-914, 921-5100 fax 914-921-5118 info@gabelli.com.